Kwata kasimu kwata. Omukuru.
Yego sebo.
Amazina gawe.
Agaba eri.
Aha.
Emitwaro 50.
Wahangura emitwaro 50 okuruga TV West. Vesto murunzi twakutanjera wasiba kurunji eshaha zaba ibiri ziciro neshaha y'amakuru gita gacencwire kandi agutakurundanira izoberi orkwijaga kusyaho nde Elias Rutugusa hamwe na Sande Brian no rumi orgo bonero konkatagaga kuretira ombwijire reka tkoretse ebikore bija bwebembire
mitwe y'amakuru ne kwishibwaho
vegetable cooking oil, second best to a mother's love. Echiro chisisirechi, rose from nempaka sheshekaronji.
Omugacencwire kireki Christopher Onyuma Okero yacwerwa kwitwa Polisi bariyo baronda abantu abagwiro mugera gwanguse omurika gadi
nemitwe y'amakuru yabane kwishibwaho refined fortified blended pure vegetable cooking oil second best to a mother's love echiro chisisira chireche rose from nempaka sheshekaronji
kutanjera omakuru gita gacencwire rizoba nizoba ryo rwakana nebiro 30 ebyo kwezo kwakana umwaka gw'2026 ahabwe mbabazi okwezo kwakana twakwendera izoberi reka tuzo mu makuru gacencwire kote nkuru omara Kampala eyebembirwa muramuza Alias cyo muhanzi yasindisa Christopher Okero omushango ugo kwita abana bana yamucwera okwitwa ahabwo kwita abana bana abishomere lyagaba Kindergarten and Child Care Center omara Kampala
abantu okuze emisango
kote yacwera Christopher Nyomokere cheneso cyo kwitwa yabayebembirwa muramuza AFCON hanji kauka kandi takaciro mushango ogu yabanza yashabokero yabayine kintu cyone cyari kwenda kugamba ningashokwesa z'abanya Uganda konkokero yajyanguta chine.
Are you going to tell me why I shouldn't pass a death sentence?
No, my lord. I'm not going to say something today.
You don't want to say anything? Do you want to say something?
No, my lord.
You don't even want to apologize to Uganda?
Omunchamu omuramuzi kauka yajyangu batungira obujurizo buri kumara ku Christopher yisira abana bariyo mu mbera nungi kandi omutego gurukora kurungi.
Murdered them in a very gruesome and brutal manner.
Era mukumbawumba mu government ategeza nti emisango gino
jazzibwa mu ngeri ey'amaanyi etali yakisawadde, ng'era n'obuvune obwakolebwa bwali bw'amaanyi nnyo, ng'era bwazzibwa mu kifo ekyali kisuubirwa okuba eky'emirembe, ng'era n'omuntu eyazza emisango gino beyazzaako omusango bamutwala nga taata waabwe, ng'era mu kifo ky'okuba nga abawaawo obukuumi yasalawo okubasanjaga.
Abahorereza bashitabarizibwa bashaba omuramuzi kumuhereza ekineso kiringaniire ahabw'okuba aine oburwaire bwa SACCO nkana eka yakurugamu erimu obutabanguko n'obutakwatanisa bitu omuramuzi ebiti yabuhurikiriza wageragyanisa n'amaani g'omushango.
While passing the judgment, I emphasized how gruesome and brutal and heinous this offense was, and not only are the families of the deceased children still grieving, but the entire nation of Uganda still grieves at the loss of 4 innocent souls whose destinies were cut short by the barbaric actions of the convict on the 2nd day of April 2026. Era mu nsala yange nannyonnyodde nti engeri abaana bano abattibwa mu ngeri embi nnyo era etaalina kisa, era emyoyo gino egitaalina musango gye gyafiirwamu, era ne basalibwako obulamu bwabwe obwali obw'omu maaso, ng'era n'ebiro byabwe gye baali beerekedde byasazibwako ono yennyini yasingisiddwa omusango mu nnaku z'omwezi 2 omwezi ogwokuna omwaka 2026.
Omuramuzi yajjangwa kibonereza ekintu kijja kuba ekyokureeberaho ari ababiina emizenke ya Okero.
I agree with the prosecution that this case or these offences fall in the rarest of the rare. Era nzikiriziganya n'oludda olwabi nti omusango guno gugwa mu misango egyo ginnamusangwa egitasangikasangika. Like the probation officer informed the court that when he made inquiries, they said this kind of thing had never happened. For 4 children to be killed just in a very short time by one person. Having said that, the convict must be given a sentence that will not only speak to him, but also to those friends of his whose identities he refuses to disclose, and any other person in this country who believes in sacrificing blood for wealth. Let them know that it is highly risky because they will be found like Mr. Okello was found, and they will not escape the long arm of the law. In light of the above, I have found no reason why I should not sentence Mr. Okello with the maximum sentence.
Arisha 11 z'omwabazyo kooti yashomera Christopher Okero ekibonerezo ky'okwitwa abw'okusinga omushango gw'okwita abaana ahari gaba Early Childhood Development Daycare Center.
I hereby sentence him to suffer death for the murder of Eteku Gideon in count 1, Keisha Agenroth Otim in count 2, Seriange Ignatius in count 3, and Odekereyan in count 4 in a manner authorized by law. Nsindika Okello Christopher nnyo ku kibonerezo ekyakalabba olw'okutta abaana bano omusango ogusooka Eteku, olwokubiri Keisha, omusango okusatu Seriange Ignatius ne Odeke mu ngeri eragirwa mu mateeka.
Bwanyuma y'okumushomera ekibonerezo omuramuzi yajja Christopher alina obugabe kujurirwa mu kooti ejurirwamu 2012 kutandika erizooba.
Mr. Okello, you have a right of appeal. You have a right of appeal against the conviction of this court, both the conviction and the sentence. This you should do within 14 days from today.
ho n'abantu bakuru n'abana kurugwa muri gabaho bw'inazo bwabire barebwa bari kuzina abwencamu ndi Anita Tukunda na Aidan Bataringaya.
Kare mwebare abanyamakuru bitu bagira ngo akabwa kiba kihuro mugongo gwako okero yaza kubecho kureberaho okukira munonga ryabo bona abari kutwara amateko mu ngaro. Reka tugumize mu namakuru omuhigo go kuronda abana omuhigo go kuronda abantu abagwiro mu mazero gwanguse omu district ya Kagadi kwataha omwizobe rya kabiri kandi polisi ya Hamizi yasya emitumbena eyeri kuzorerizo.
Baima abantu bari kurenga 20 kugomizwa mugera gwanguse omu district ya Kagadi polisi ya Hamizi etandikireho omuhigo okubaronda. Nikigamba ngo abantu aba bari hagati ya 35 kuzahara 40 bakaba bari haryato ahizo bari rwa kabiri nkasha ibiri zo mwabazyo bari kurugo mu kibera cya Bugoma Central Forest Reserve mu district ya Kikube nokwe kutunga butandweji.
Yes.
Bamwe abantu abahonere butandweji batujango bakabano baraga kosya makara omuri Bugoma Forest nukwe ryato okuremera mvuji rikaba nago mugera.
Bahoiremo tukabane turugo mukibira ko cyamana tukwekera hamwaro twatendera ryato kandi tukaba turi bantu bengi muno twatembere ryato yabere nalivuga yeka mumezi bya muremo bikagumerera inyo ameze mu rundi gumu ndidikira twatandika kuziha chance eyanyambire bagwani turukira ahakigoro nindugamo cyonka abandi bakusinga bona bakasigara mu kandi twabera abantu kama 10 cyonka barugiremo bari nkayikumi beta abantu kama 10 bona bari mu mayizi
tembere ryato twetembere ryato lyasobora kudomo maizi rijwire muno bizuru nkubure serwe rijwire muno ekinguraine kirugireho ryato kunywa pembeni kudomo maizi pembeni na pembeni yakara hansi yatahansi maizi ekirugirwa abantu okusobora okwera ubomezi bwabo.
Ombagwiro mu mugera habira haramu n'abarukurwo mu Eastern Uganda kandi abebembeze no bagira ngo abantu abasya bene kutandika kwehandikisa batakatankire kukore kuba bibaresere.
It is a government policy kati ukentu bagambira omuntu wena bwalija mu kiyaro kiyawe oli chairman lusi wano abataka bine kwikara bakimanyira ngo omuntu ogwo ine kumureportinga mu chairman ntungiro mugenyi kandi omuntu ogwo omutungo opatichurazi amabarage arugire nkaha barafunikizo batereruha omulingo nigo gumu government bwegamba roji omuntu wena kujya kubyamisa roji bahandika abantu abayizire mu roji amabara gabo habakuruga bagyanka barafunikizo batereruha nibyo nka bino omuntu ayiziraire wa mu roji amazire mu biro 3 amayizi gamutwaire but you cannot trace batereruha kwatwaho.
All along tuikaira abantu we are pleading with them tubagamba please come over tubahandike tumbanye your identities tumanya hali mukuruga but actually abantu tubakitwaire serious abandi nibatekeza probably tukwenda center and yet we are looking at all this now no mtumbi no bwerazoka we might get a challenge because some of these people barugire from the east Jinja na Hand so omuntu kakuboboloko Busoga region oyino omuntu wawo wahulira kaija Bunyoro muno ko kya makara akasimuno otera kataroho please get in touch with the leadership of Patriotism Council, the leadership of Kagadi district.
Abebembezi baikahe butandweje bire kandi bayitombitira aba National Forest Authority ahabo butakora mu gwabo okurinde kibera ekiretira abantu bakimaraho.
NFA nayo tetukonyeyire bataya mapengwe kibera kino bakihandingira over to uwa Uganda Wildlife Authority kimanaging because it was kiro kya kasatu webagyo the whole of the Wednesday kya kabiri nkasiba muninda mboro ruguru rwa Bisisira road kurugeraga muga yaza kujya Nyampendo ukajya mu Kyarena hano katuruka pacho atamaka kujuka driver niwe gambire cyamano omwika guri gono kutuka nseri kuli tibakoki amakara hata abakurinde kibirekyo bo mwiko gutibagorora
ningira ngo omurumo gubabere ndabakora omukibira gube gutara umurungi abo kuba twazo mu mateka aba bantu bona babiri ndabakora nibatema abakutema mu kibira babintu bakikora illegally tikikwikirizibwa konka abo kugira ngo no kufa umuntu kakuba yafire ibi by'amateka tukubizamu hati to kituruho nka security no kureba ngo twaru covering emitumbi y'abantu bati omburubwo tariho umuntu wena urukwikirizwa korro mu kibirecho
omukire akutwashakira mama koraga komishona wa police Sulaiman Chirungi n'omudumizi w'eherya hamizi bahamya okwemera mbwena niyo yazwirwe ku rugo mu mujerogu
kurubatira haliato lijwire muno akabindo bayira batuke hale iyo bokurra iwe nkomuntu abantu bayijwire muno iwe nkaiwe weihemo gamenta anyo hakiri kansigale hakiro rara side eri otakurosingire baito usigale uli mu mezi
omujera gwanguse no gutanisa district ya Kikube na Kagadi gasha kwa Thomas tumwebaze
webare Thomas tumwebaze kandi agwa n'amakuru g'obusasi nitushashana n'amakagona agaferirwe abantu babo deka tugumizemu minister w'ebyobwegese na nemizano mu ihanga Janet Kataha Museveni yashaba abantu babo nyoro okwetebekana secero kumara na nebinte birya hamutindo ngo cubahwere akuganyurwa mu bantu abarukuza kwija ahabwe mpaka zo mpira ubwo chikopo echa Africa Cup of Nations umwaka ugwe-2027
obuhabuzi bwa Minister Janet Kataha Museveni buhirwe Minister omuhwezo w'ebyemizano Peter Ogwanga aha mukoro gwo kwasa nekitaka eri okumbeka w'ekishayi cyo kutendekeramu abazano mu mpaka eza AFCON 2027.
Very many visitors are going to begin coming up to the time of the competition. Even the road between Hoima and Kampala, we are fast tracking it, and if you've seen, the work is improving because it was one of the items which had been observed by CAF. Within a year, that road also will be complete to support us in terms of AFCON 2027.
Emirimo ejeri omukorwa hacishayi cha bombo mu rurembo rwa Hoima na bome y'amasindi kandi naija kumaraho biliyoni 3.3 na miliyoni 800
is to assure you that already for purposes of the hoteliers here we have secured 101 billion shillings to support the development and the improvements of hotels in Bunyoro.
I promise that we shall deliver, and these projects will be delivered timely and read on record and will be of quality.
Minister Janet omubutumwa bwe nagira mu government etungire biliyoni 11 okushagika hotel na biliyoni 2.13 ezo kukora engute ziri kuza hacishayi omurembo rwa Hoima.
I want to confirm tomorrow I have a meeting with your senior minister. Specifically, I want to find out, have you deployed contractors in these roads? If they are not there, now I'm putting myself to be the monitor. Because I want within 6 months, by the time CAF comes in August 31st, I must see 80% of the works done.
I request the Honorable Minister to convey our greetings and our sincere appreciation to Mama, who is the captain of our sector, for all the support that she has given to ensure that Hoima cluster develops infrastructure and requirements to host AFCON.
Abebembezo baraganise kukwatiraho gavumenti okurebeka ngo entebeekanisezi zatambura kurungi.
That as mayor-elect who is coming in the next 3 weeks, I want to promise that we are going to work with you. We are going to cooperate with you, and we are going to continue communicating with you so that we support education, we support sports in the area, which is very important for us.
Because with the sports, with those things, facilities, we have so many catering, accommodation, so many. It comes with so many opportunities. So we are blessed to have this opportunity, this facility, and we thank His Excellency the President.
Emirimo y'okwombeka ekishayi naija kukorwa aba UPDF Engineering Brigade gashakwa nwagaba Ambrose Katoto.
Webare Ambrose nwagaba Katoto. Uganda nayo nemu mahanga gakoza kutayahise mpake za AFCON umwaka ogurukwijo gw'2027 ekwatanise n'ihanga rya Tanzania hamwe na n'ihanga rya Kenya. Bwanyuma y'abashubuzi abarukoro myanya etari kwicerezebwa na nabatembe yo kubingwa hamahanda aho mu rurembo rwambara abebembezi bariyo no batebekanisa okubatwaro mu butare oburumuka koba rugazi nangwana n'ahandi twatayayiro butare ubu konka ebyo buyonjo okono byerarikiriza ahabwo kuba emyanya mingi ombutare ubu bwashubuzi barkwija kutwarwamo nemerofa
obutaro butebekanisiibwe kutwarwamu ababengerwa hanguuto n'abatembeyi ababire no babukoreramu abendi bakafurukamu habw'enshonga ezirimu burofa okubura bakasitoma nokuba omu myanya ahu ebintu byabo bitari kutambura. Tushukire omu butaro obu nka Rugazi na Kakoba kandi tushangire kamina zikagwa ezindi zijura kandi ezindi zikingire enshonga habw'enki abashubuzi batwire nibahunga omu butaro obu.
Butale buno ekyali badde ekirungi bali badde batoola obusente butono abantu bwe basasula ne basobola okukabeeramu. Omuntu alimu empooza y'akatale n'agenda okutundira ku makubo ate ekitali badde kirungi.
Tushukirire omuhwezi wa tawuni Kiraka habwambara City South Nelson Muhangi kandi agizire ngu nk'abebembezi nibakimanya ngu obutare obu buri omu mbeera mbi konka tushoborire entebeekanisa eriho okubutereeza.
N'akatale ka Kakoba Daily Market, n'akatale ka Nyamutyobora, n'akatale ka Rugazi. Obutare obwe turiyo nitukoragana na abakubukoreramu kuza bamwe binemu buju. Turiyo nitukoragana na engineering department kubatandisa na kamasho kureba ngu obutare obwe bwahunduzibwa bwaguma buri omu buteeka sanitation y'emyanya egyo yaterera.
Hone enshonga egi tugiganiireho na meya wa Mbarara City South Jomo Mugabe kandi nagira ngu okuboneza obutare obu bahereze kukita omu mbarira.
Okusooka akatale ke tugenda okusooka ka Nyamutyobora ate sente we ziba zirabise nga zimala tugende ku Rugazi ne Kakoba. Naye nga akatale akaali kakulembedde mu butale bwonna akatale k'e Nyamutyobora kubanga ketulabanga akanene ate akayinza okusingamu abantu abangi.
Enteekateeka yatandikire turiyo nitukoragana na za management z'obutare obwe kureba ngu twabaasa kubuteeka omu buteeka abantu babonaho okushuburira kurungi kandi bareke kukuriza aha mihanda n'omu ndiijo emyanya etari gazetted.
Gashakwa ari waswa
ari waswa omurebe witu wa TV Sto murungi tukusima aho uri kuturebera hona kandi webare na no kutorana kureba TV West turiyo makuru agacencuire konka reka tubanze tuhumureho tugarukana makuru agande.
Agarukurataho negakushikibwaho.
Move it all day toothpaste meant to give you powerful night gum defense and teeth whitening. The charcoal flavor gives you deep cleansing and power stain removal.
Agarukurataho okujaguza ekiro cy'abakozi ni nyencha kare abari kuronda emirimo bashabwe kwegendesereza abafere.
Agarukurataho gabanaga kushikibwaho.
Move it all day toothpaste meant to give you powerful night gum defense and teeth whitening. The charcoal flavor gives you deep cleansing and power stain removal.
Are you in panic? Or you're afraid to make a move? Don't worry. With Kazire Red Tonic, you will put her in red moments. And with Kazire Power Tonic, you have your game powered. Enjoy Kazire Red Tonic and Kazire Power Tonic, the natural organic products. Kazire Power Tonic, made from nettle tea, ginger, grapes, and honey.
Kazire Red Tonic, made from watermelon, pumpkin, grapes, and honey.
Power your game and ignite her happiness.
At Fins Medical University, we offer online postgraduate diploma in medical education, Bachelor of Medicine and Bachelor of Surgery, MDCHB, Bachelor of Pharmacy, Bachelor of Medical Laboratory Technology, among others, Diploma in Clinical Medicine and Community Health, Diploma in Medical Laboratory Technology, among others, and certificate programs. Fins Medical University, a chartered medical university in East Africa and is located in Fort Portal. Apply now for the March or July-August intakes. Visit our offices or apply online on our website or contact us for details. Fins Medical University, saving lives, our passion.
Manager, ogito wagito. Kwa kama tumuchidara, kabataka jiremu. MC takiziri. DJ atumna na wiring ebyoma. Tugumisize shanki ibiri.
Bantu mwareka turugomuzano tugume twatesha. Twagamba shamushanju zibe shamushanju. Tikizana ngo okushara keke ni shamushanju. Nizeze nyine. Byo ni shara keke tukazakunyumba.
Na wapenzi yona nesente konga tanywire mbogo. Nikushekerera nikuteganisa wenda ninyende mbogo yoka. Oyine mbogo kanaba mulungi ayibambe nekorera. Ayimukama wanje okagaruka meshara zanje.
Hayes Recruitment Experts Jobs Abroad kandi nitumanyisa abantu mwena muri tukinda abantu binji abashije n'abakazi abojona bishiki emyaka 21 okwisari 85 okwera cyenyonyi Dubai emirimo nka customer service, airport security, aviation stewards, check-in agents, landing ground guides na aircraft cleaners. Hayes Recruitment niyo company esinjira zindi zono mu Africa okuhereza emirimo y'obujunanizibwa omwaka oguterize okwehandikisa n'okwabusha free registration amataji gitu gona esimu not mushanju ina not emwe ibiri ishatu ina itano mukaga ninga not mushanju ina itano
ebyo kwemeka byonjera koroba hankwanjulire ankole crazy limited abara kubumbira byo kwembekesa nkamategura amatafari n'ebindi bingi kandi byo mutindo gwahigu nkamangalole tiles, Portuguese tiles na flat top agemigongo lero bakwinira amatafari ga buli mulingo nka fire bricks, max pans, interlocking bricks, otebwe partitioning blocks obumoli buro bwabuzire bwena babwine nka Z-Vent, Torino, Venezia na Sisa bakwine na Pompeii, Malta, double Pompeii mwena bombeche na ba engineers na contractors mwena ankole crazy baborobezaho byona barabibumbira muri mbarara omwibumbe rishugeine barakoza technology rispiria echora byombekesi changale nka bendera ya Uganda bashangali mayiro 8 mbarara kabale road esimu noti mushanje 2 ananina 15 chenda na mukaga ankole crazy limited tugende twombeke
Echiro chisisirachi Rose from Nepaka Shekaronji. Para see a rose spring, a rose farm. A genie big Tokuro Sas Mukashe, Nikukuma Sajingo Muchina.
Wera renko mwerere n'umfaratsi bw'umutindo kandi nuguhanga umugongo ombero gurukushasha okubiyamaje kigambe bakwecho urkwenda Rose from ensiye biroto birunji.
Nitukwanjulira Mbarara Institute of Health Sciences and Management. Ishomero lyonka erikyasingirayo okugunjura abashaho hamwe n'abazarisa aharurengo urwa certificate na diploma omu diploma in medical laboratory technology, diploma in medical records and health informatics, diploma in pharmacy. Lero bagaruka bashomesa certificate na diploma in nursing and midwifery. Ishomereri erine medical laboratory erime byoma nibereba nkomuntu library ey'omulembe computer z'ekika higuru kandi byemizano bakabiteka mamanika kandi ishomereri rahamibwe ministry ey'obwegesi na ministry of health kandi bine bus rugogoma ey'okutambuza abeji ebyombeko eby'omulembe hamwe n'omwanya rugogoma gwokushomeramo ebitabo ogurukorebeka kurungi nirishangwa hangudo nyegendwa eyambarara isingiro odakakiro mutahuni ya kaberebe okumanya birukukiraho note mushanju 2 kada na mushanju 32 Mukaganemu. Mbarara Institute of Health Sciences and Management. We strive for quality health.
Waba tarikosa momo nushanga byo kutangaza ibitutekateye chire. Yetantero kuteganisibwa kozesa momo app ningashinyiga *165*3# kushashura nabwanyima oshemerera kushashurira busha aha bishare bya hansi yashirinje nko 5 agone gomanyiga momo.
bahamubuze buri omwe cyari kunywa atandika anywa ha biriyani.
Mukama wanje torkwitenga kubuza abantu bona bari miyari papa flavored vodka.
Papa vodka niyo kwasireyo papa vodka niyo kwasireyo iwe gendo girondero za ohurire tori kuza kunywa kindi muntu we owagikoziro mugusha gurimo enuzire teine munahango batekuteza muto takusinza papa flavored vodka simple sweet.
Kuruka yuko mbutumwa bw'abashubuzi twagumizamo na namakuru agacencwire agecweka citu ca kabiri President Yoweri Kaguta Museveni yatongoza umbazo go kutanjire ngo ha oguru korerwa aho mu Uganda. Umukoro go kutongoza umbazo ugu gwabaho Elizoba ahari National Livestock Resource Institute umuri na Mulonge Nansana Municipality muri Kampala.
Aha mukoro go kutongoza umbazo ogu President Yoweri Kaguta Museveni yabashagatira abebembezi batara bamwe na bamwe kandi batandika no kumushoborera uko mbazo gurukora ne barabere mu ukwikaha kugushoza.
This is what farmers have been waiting for. This is what Ugandans have been waiting for. This is actually what Africans and beyond have been waiting for. Your Excellency and esteemed guests, today we open the state-of-the-art facility producing antique vaccines that can save 16 million national livestock herd, with capacity also to produce more for export. Indeed, Uganda, East Africa, and Africa as a whole, we are proud to have such an innovation at this time.
Omurumo go korombazo ogu gumazireho billion igana shanju omusente za Uganda kandi zirugiro mu government ya Uganda.
Uganda is really unstoppable. The acaricides were a bad replacement because they are toxic. And eventually, the ticks get used to them. The cow now kills the tick. That's what the vaccine does. And therefore, what will happen is that how long does it last in the body of the cow?
Your Excellency, it lasts for 6 months. Every after 6 months, you vaccinate.
So now, if you do it repeatedly, in the end, there will be no ticks in your land.
President Museveni hona yagira ngo mbazi nugutangire ngo hazona kandi nuguza kuyamba kucendeza sente ezabarisa babire no bashohoza omukugure mbazi yo kurwanise ngo ha.
So the farmers now have got a durable solution to this problem of ticks. And it is all the ticks. Because the other acaricide was, sometimes it will get a problem with some of the ticks. Because the ticks here are 3. There is Enchuju, which Baguma was not pronouncing well. Enchuju is Bopherus. There is Mbarabara. This is Amblyoma. There is Akagoha ruciferus. So all these are killed by this combined vaccine. It is really a revolutionary step in African agriculture.
Ba Minister Frank Tumuyabaze na Dr. Bright Rwamirama basima President ahaba managatiro mu kutungura byo burisa omuyihanga.
Your Excellency, our livestock has grown. We are now talking of 16.4 cattle, 35% of which are exotic cows. We are proud of our numbers of 17.4 million goats, 5 million sheep, 80 million hogs, and estimated 120 million.
From that meeting, you supported the scientists and directed the Ministry of Finance to offer them all the necessary financial support. I am glad to report to Your Excellency that since then, NARO has been supported in the last financial years with a total budget provision of 170 billion, which they have used to fund and conclude all the research protocols, the trials, certifications, and the recruitment of competent personnel to construct that facility you've commissioned and fully equip it with the latest production technologies that you have commissioned.
Aha mukoro ogu President Yoweri Kaguta Museveni yahamya oku government eri kuza kuhereza ekitongore kya NARO sente ziri kwingana billion 6 kutandika vaccine research hub. Okurugirira hali Dr. Yona Baguma nabaza kuba nibashohoza million doza 36 z'omubazi ogu buri mwaka kandi yajangu bahereze kushohoza dozi million 1.50 gashakwa Abdukarim Sengendo.
Webare Sengendo Abdukarim abeji 12 abishomere ryambara Ame Boarding Secondary School abatwire batendekwa okundi hanga ryabo ningashi Patriotism bahamebwa kandi bashabwa okwebembeze micwe na no kugira umutima ogo kundi hanga ryabo.
Omukoro gwo kujeka beji 1220 bishomero ryambara Ame Boarding Secondary School gutangiye na beji bari kutambura kwetororo rembo rwambara nabwanyuma beji basimbire nyereze rambwirwa bebembeza bakira mukorogu bebembirwa muhezi wo mudumizi w'enkambi ya kabire ya Makenke Brigadier General James Kasule.
Wherever you hear, you will be carrying a bottle. We are today celebrating this very important occasion where we embrace the 4 fundamental principles of ideology.
Skills zeze zitwabegesa nzibegesa okuyamba abandi bwanyuma yo kwekunduka kundo munya Uganda kakundi hanga lyawe noye kunda kandi okorera ihanga lyawe kwenda ngo all developing nyensi yagumeho ritakagwa mu mikono yawe.
This training make it like being accountable. Because you feel you've also no shame to just do things the way you want, you have to follow. I'm going to do this. Will this make us succeed?
Jeno Kasura shabira bejaba okwesa kurunjo bukoryo no bwenjo begesibwe okwekumano ku mihanga ryabo.
Is the regional coordinator. We have a culture in Mbara Army Boarding Secondary School that every year we welcome the new students, especially in senior 1 and senior 5, through the patriotism training. That is our culture, the backbone of the military. Born and bred through the army, boarding our schools, and even those that are from the communities but have also benefited from the proximity of our schools. We'd like to take that opportunity really to thank all the students. I want to congratulate all of you. But it risks, training, so that by the time they join the army, they will be already not disturbing. When they go to other institutions, they will also be disciplined. Because now for us, it is discipline and discipline and discipline, nothing much.
Abejaba batwemba batendekwe ibintu bitari umwe na mu mushomo gwo kundi ihanga ryabo kandi borekere mu mbe begesibwe. Omwaka gw'2009 President Museveni akatongoza ekigombe kya National Patriotism Club kandi kurugwo bw'ihanga rituyendiye bembezo muranga gukwegese emyeto kundi ihanga ryabo kurabira mu mashomero n'ebindi bitongore. Amakuru agasha kwa Eli Akiza.
The few selected senior ones.
Bare Ed Akiza obwo Uganda erikwetebekanisiza okujaguza ekiro cy'abakozi ahizoberi ya Nichakare abanya-Uganda baraburwa okwegendesereza babantu baronde merumo abarukujana no hanshonga z'abakozi mu district ya Lyantonde nibagira ngo hariho bitongore bitari bimwe na bimwe ebirikufera abantu babantu baronde merumo.
Okorogera hari mukuru w'abakozi habwa district ya Lyantonde Jonathan Tumwebaze ebirebe hariho kutonze habwa company ziri kugira ngo nizirondera abantu emirimo konka bine bigendererwe bindi nikwe kushaba bari kuronda emirimo okuba begendesereza
aheru y'ihanga tubura umuntu ngwashemerera kutwara tubura umuntu ngwashemerera kugambira munitwara abantu aheru kicereza twine camp niziranga muzine ba driver yet there is no job order cleared by Ministry of Gender for the job or position of a driver. So washanga bakakiliaringa maids unit tabuna ba drivers it is null and void and it is illegal according to Employment Regulation 2021.
Ebigambo bya Jonathan tumwebaze nibyije ahubwo Uganda rwetebekanisa zo kujaguza ekiro cy'abakozi izo bari yanyencyakare
cyadiriba netangira no makaga abana aguba kutahamu umuzire w'umwana nabasa kumuhindura omvuku nabasa kutaho cyadiriba watakukimanya ekindi cyadiriba ndisho abana bahumura no batakahumuyire hina abana bo kureba bahokinga ninga baguze bintu ebyo kurya
nobwe ntebekanisa zo kujaguza ekireki ziri kugenda mu misho hariho abatashashano kirahabwo kushashurwa sente nke wageranisa n'emirimo eyibari kukora
bategeza n'emisayi mutegenkanankana osanga omuntu asupervisinga omuntu nga sente zafuna ntono nnyo ku muntu gwa supervisinga kambo ekyo okulabirako mu local governments head of political head abira district chairperson chief administrative officer awedwa milioni 12 ne chairman district yayongezeddwa so nga chairman ya district ya supervising chief administrative officer kiba kitegeeza obutali bumativu bukyali mu mbuwezi kiba kitegeeza ati obuwezi ate bujja kutambula bulungi.
Is that the issues you have raised, government is aware of the issues and negotiations are progressing very well.
Bita abakozi baraburwa kwehangiraho ndijo mihanda yo kutunga entasya
omuntu yali badinga asobola okusobozi okugendagana aje package yeriyo ngeyo tunukaga mbitano kuchikubya zi investing kiyamba government to omuntu ayinvestinze sente ku myaka namwe etano kya kuba ina abantu bakozesa abantu bali mukozesa government ija kubekereza employment n'omusolo gweyongere
difference yaha gati ya wage na salary no kugira ngo wage ni nakasimo akakurwa mu kuwakora ki obuwakora kandi salary neba nehabwa interview
emikoro yo kujaguza ekireki naija kuba mu district ya Buyikwe ahansi y'omutogoro kugira ngo kukorera mu mbeera erikwesimisa n'amagara marungi Gashakwa Sandeke William
Sandeke William kande mikoro eyo kujaguza ekiro cy'abakozi yona ntuje kujukusyaho obutuno aha TV West reka tugumizemu abarukura za SACCO zo mu district ya Bushenyi na nabebembezo ku rugomori omucyange cya Angore bashaba za SACCO kugumana bakorana ba memba bazo bitkutari gukora magoba rero ba memba bakasigara mu bworo byagambo rizoba umurukiko rwo kuhendera umwaka urwa Camuhunga Jubilee SACCO umurubutare Camuhunga mu district ya Bushenyi
Omurukiko rwo kuhendera umwaka abwa Camuhunga Jubilee SACCO omurubutare Camuhunga Bushenyi district babanza kwiguraho ecombeko rwogoma no koreka emotoka ezuguzirwe okutambuza emirimo ya SACCO owabaryo mujenyi mukuru aha mukoro gusamu evidence orukunda yarabura ba memba abarukunyagaza SACCO ngo baryene rurya
oni okishashure kandi okishashure mbwiri habuka SACCO wota shashire roni no bano nchaffecting SACCO kukura namwe nitonga government inebizibu nko mu myoga abantu bakija bakwate sente z'emyoga bazitwara babura kandi interestingly abantu iremyoga bamwe nibo bari mu SACCO nkezi konga SACCO izo nzikura ezitu zikaremwa kukura mwe commercial officer we have a task to explain SACCO za government zoka nzifa kandi zabwa kiziri kukura
numunywano wa SACCO zone but Camuhunga Jubilee no manyo mbana bona no boine mu mwana orukwetsinga kandi orugumana akubuza ateki nchikore ntone kitigwire ekishiti omwana ogwe nabayina amagezi orugumana akwebuzaho so Camuhunga Jubilee nibatwebuzaho nibakonsultinga nijo kureberana DCO wahumwire na warya
Chamuhunga Jubilee SACCO ekozera amagoba ga biliyoni emwe na miliyoni 220 kurwo mu buhereza butari bumwe na bumwe obubari kwa bamemba babo.
Akishimiye gusiga shareholder nye. So ntubahereza agricultural kugirira uko kwingana n'icyo kwenda. Kandi agricultural kuko kwasaba ko mwakire n'wachanga ntuhereza abantu season abo mwe tubahereza na opportunity yo kubanza harvesting.
Tuhereza school fees uroni ijero interesting che etakashana n'ezindi mwene bamema base kwakira ubuhereza obwe bashomesa abana babo ababine ntasya etakwe basiza kunkana ijakira akaroni ahera umwana weye.
Abari kwebembera Chamuhunga Jubilee SACCO bashobora ebikabyaza roni ebari kuhereza abantu okweyiho mu bworo.
Burente ubanza umare nayo mwezi mukaga wa onejo myezi mukaga ko rero guzirente ino stock ko kure wangu na yegeshe kuboneza arane kuyabo gushashura roni. So karo loan product itwine iyo kutanko mu shareholder umutego
Frani itwinire ba members bitu ababa hansi echo kubanza tubase kureta product y'abachara ababa buriru abakukora nemukono yabo katugireba bukubasa kuhinga imizizi abo twabaretera ka loan product akuba kweta superwoman loan akona ko mucyara wa burijo ubutwenda ngo akure aragahidara azarinde kandi nayakira loan ejo nabanashashura buri wiki.
Chamuhunga Jubilee SACCO yasya abamemba omutwaro gumwe kakaga 17 kandi eyine byobwiga bwa biliyoni 2 na miliyoni 693. Bamemba erizoba bahebwa ebirabo ebirumu embuzi hamwe nebyeshweko. Amakuraga gashakwa Michael atwacire ahabwa Agacencwire.
Ugarisha twika hari 0.
Webare Michael atwatsiro muregwito murunji ntukusima abo kutuhereza kire kawe okureba makuru gitu Agacencwire katubanze tugaruke mu tumureho tugaruke na makuru agande.
The Antode School of Nursing and Midwifery nibetabe jumwena abahiriza sini ya kanane ya mukaga kwisha kwehanditsa habwa amashomo ga certificate na diploma ombunasi obuzarsa na lab technology omweje rukwenda umwanya oshemire kubushyikiro kubara n'urujungu hamwe n'ebya science iwo rukwenda kushoma diploma oshemire kuboyine certificate of nursing na midwifery kandi omazire emyaka 2 mu field buri mweje nahawe umugisha gwo kushoma gani mashomo ga teknolojia kumwonje no umugisha gwo kuhakanara nyensia nka scanning na sonography lab technologies business na vocational skills na byo bitakwibiri basaries zichiruko mugirobwira eishomero nirishangwa rya Ntonde haruguto rwa Kampala mbarra kandi kumayibiri kukira hotera no tumushanje 8 mukaga nashanje ni 3 nashanje ni 5 ashatu na 4.
All right, listen up. Colgate is on a mission.
It's kind of a big thing.
Colgate Herbal uses traditional nature's herbs and combines it with Colgate Science for healthy gums and strong teeth.
Aha! Abantu mwena reba mugishangu kugwagaruka entumwa Dr. Timothy no mucyara wa Rachel Nduhukire aba Upper Room Church Mbarara nibeta abacyara mwena kwijo miterane cy'abacyara bamani ebiro 2 okwa 5 omwakogu kurugashayi 2 zakasheshe okwisashayi 12 zo mwabazyo mutafer w'abagambi bamanika omurisa Rachel Nduhukire o Upper Room Church Mbarara omurisa Becky Arinitwe o Upper Room Church Kampala kandi mugambi mukuru ni Zaburi Jaria omutwagwa kiterane reba mugabe wawe na ijahori Zakaria mwenda kusya hari 10 mucyara wotaferwa kandi ijicyangu cyamushanane yabusha.
Cooking all that makes food sweet, tastes so good like mama's kiss. Sweet Tamasana, yeah. Stir gold is the oil you cooking oil for a tasty meal to live a healthy, happy life. Stir gold, refined, fortified, blended pure vegetable cooking oil, second best to a mother's love.
And all
ambition pace. There is no margin for error. So much here is familiar.
Over 1900 games brought us here.
There is not a sporting heat quite like this.
But history doesn't care about the journey.
The Premier League is the best league in the world.
La Liga is far and beyond the biggest winner.
It only remembers how it ends.
You bought it. It's not a word. You bought it.
8 titles. 1 month of mayhem to decide them all.
That is outstanding from Patrick Dorgan.
Stay connected and watch DSTV to catch the football season finale this May. It's on.
Waba tukurise momo no hemru abahinguzi.
Gwevayo jayo buguru.
Ye harebe jumo kozesa momo app ningashinyiga *165*3# kushashura nabwanyima oshemerera kushashurira busha aha bishare bya hansi yashirinje 15 agone komanyiga momo.
There's a new way to keep your breath fresh all day. Introducing Movit All Day Toothpaste, meant to give you powerful night gum defense and teeth whitening. The charcoal flavor gives you deep cleansing and power stain removal. And the herbal delivers natural strength for healthy, confident smiles. Choose Movit All Day Toothpaste and enjoy freshness all day.
Pace. There is no margin for error. So much here is familiar.
Over 1900 games brought us here.
There is not a sporting heat quite like this.
But history doesn't care about the journey.
The Premier League is the best league in the world.
La Liga is far and beyond the biggest winner.
It only remembers how it ends.
You bought it. It's not a word. You bought it.
8 titles. 1 month of mayhem to decide them all.
Outstanding from Patrick Dorgan.
Stay connected and watch DSTV to catch the football season finale this May. It's on.
Start something new, something uplifting, something so effortless and golden. A thirst-quenching burst of sweetness and multi-flavor. So rich and full of memories. It's 100% taste, 0 alcohol. Try it, savor it, feel it elevate every moment. Sip after sip, gulp after gulp. After all, life's about turning ordinary thrills into golden chills.
Start something malty with the new Evervest Malt Apple and Pineapple. Try the burst of sweetness and malty flavor. It's 100% taste, 0 alcohol. Available in a shop or supermarket near you. Evervest Malt. Make every moment golden. Evervest Malt is from the makers of Pepsi Cola in Uganda.
Ubutumwa bw'abashubuzi omumakuru agacencuira g'ekicweka cyite cy'ahamuheru abantu abiri n'oburema hamebiri yabo omuri Kikunjiri omuri Kabare municipality berarisirire nk'uko barareberera amaka gabo bwanyuma yo kubingwa omyanya y'ibabeno bakorramo ahabw'ekiragiro ekya trade order. Abantu bagira ngu ahi babatire nibija okugumirwa okuhikayo ahabwo kubahare kandi na n'entamburo kuzayo ngwegumire.
Abarema bari kwingana 50 barukoro muri Kikunjiro muri Kabare municipality berarikirire kirakuratiye bwanyuma yo kubingwa myanya eba biremba korama bwe kiragiro cya trade order.
Turimo abarema binji abarema barayikanka 25 abantu abino burema aha mibiri yabo kandi barekozesa barakozese mikono amagurugo mukama kagatwima nacho titwachimwanjira yaturekera umwiso konka kutwahurire nguni trade order nato yatwata omumwanya guturakoreramu ngo obujo buturakoreramu barinda kubushenyi konko buba bushenya itwe nkabarema kuba ijire bataho x nangwa nabo babohereze kwija x kutaho x baratwanguhire batandika no kutuninukarira ngo twagaruka kurya ntura titwine cyo kurya ogwe bari kugambira abantu bino burema
aho kuzati hariho
ahako nkokora manya omunda yino bulema mubiri kwarazarwa muka obumwali muwenka abantu barakuza abandi batamukuza nk'abandi kandi turara bamwe turi bakuru turya bakoze umurembe gw'abantu bino bulema abakare abashorwirwe tucari bato tukaza kweshanga twashanga turi mu myanya eyabarema babire bashororeirwe mu nkabwama gwaguri umwanya gw'abantu abino bubembe kubamazera abandi barema bona bariyo babata
abantu bajyangu babire nibeyo kweharo kuza kushabiriza amahanda nkonkati bakore cyo bababingire
konkito nkabarema bari muri municipality mazima tawunikiraka na meya na RDC baracimanya ngo abarema baturaga kikunjiri tumazireho bwire bwinji kuruga 9 nena turataha kikunjiri kandi turakorerayo konka omurya gihururu yo kushenya itwe tiba tugambire yo kuza kandi itwe omukutahe gihururu tawitwe tuhakanisize ebyo kugira ngo titurashwane n'abandi ye kuturashwane nabo itwe nk'abantu bino burema batekatekire kugira ngo tuze kukorera nkayi
bashaba government okuronde miringo eri kubasiko kubiho mu mbereji eyibarimo bwahati
turashaba government ngo agira nko kuyatwatira he tuyambe abo kubo bushuba bushenya tukaburaho entasa turagaruka rukuto tuze kusheguza kandi ekizibe kiriho kutwatungiye sete za PDM zimwe twazikozesa kugira ngo owatine ekirabasa kumutayiza ngo ayombe ko buju yakwata nkaryo sete za PDM yayombekesaho kugira ngo abone mentasa kandi ayije kubona ne sente zo kushashura sente z'abandi ziyakwasire
gutari mu rundi rwo kubanza na hati twobire turashaba ngo His Excellency President witu utwahira karuru no mutima gumwe na rukundo na NRM nk'ekibine turakunda ecyatwihire uko yitwabire tunagirwe please atureberemu agambe n'abantu bakuraba entumwa zeba ambassador bapamarenze kuritare n'abandi batugire ka affirmative action batwororeze muri yiri iteka
meya wa Kabare municipality center bya Mugisha yashaba abantu abashiriye amahando ku rugabwo kuba babahiro bwire burukumara
tukabana kaja turera gw'abantu betwana tubahiro bwire buramara turera ngo betwana kuko nawe otaraye tware akena ngo aze mu mutwe muhango nawe turaza kumuhanurira ko kiragira kiragamba then trade order na fiscal planning act eragira ebizimbe ebitwine muri Kabare municipality bostire ebya central business district ushobora kuba orashpainting orashitereranje buri mwaka
amakuru agashakwa Nelson ahimbisubwe
bare Nelson ahimbisubwe twagumuzamu abatura na nabebembezo mu district ya Change Jo basimire government abo kubombekera ishomero area Chura Seed School okombeka kuriyo kukigendo misho kandi nukuza kumara sente billion 3 hamwe na million 300 omusente za Uganda
Egombora ya Chura ni amagomborwa garakukisayo bhango kandi ine byara 39 n'amashomero 8 ga primary kandi giteye n'ishomero yone ya senior okombeka Chura Seed School abantu bana bagira government bahwerire cyango
so around 300 pupils have been missing secondary education just because of not having a secondary institution. So for me, I'm very happy and so grateful.
Tubeire nitungo bulemezi bwingi muno kimuhaliebi tubeire taine ebyombeke birukumara then echa kabiri na scholastic materials ingebitavyo kusomesezamo nebintu ebindi ebyomusomese byakwetaga kurora omwana yasoma kurungi
egombore eno nkoto muno ine byara situna mwenda kandi na masomero 8 aga primary school aga government bitu berete ini somero lya senior abana bakemba rubata kilometer 15 kwikayisomerera ihondi lya Kisojo bitu ekitalabaniza muna abana abandi basoboyira kujya mu masomero balekere bitati ntunihera anti isomero lino kokoli abahayi ndija okusomesa abana baitu.
Okwombeka seed schoolage ni kwija kumaraho biliyoni 3 na miliyoni 300 kandi neija kwombesherwa mu mezi kumigonka.
The contractor commenced works on 16th of March 2026. That is now 1 month and a few days. I think 1.5 months, right? If I'm correct. And he is expected to complete this project in 10 months.
And as you visited the site, we are right now coming out of the foundation. We're going to get to the slabs, and we are progressing. We hope to finish in time.
Abebembeza mu district ya Chenjejo bashabira bakwasibwa mu rumogu okugukora kurungi.
Chihura has been blessed to have a seed school with direct funding from the government. And we want to thank the Ministry of Education for having spearheaded this project under USIP.
So if we are looking at saving the future of a given number of Ugandans, especially from around this area, and those ones that will be crossing from primary level to secondary level, we need to all think about targeting towards the completion of this project by
Gasha kwa Daniel Bingana.
Webare Daniel Bingana ubwo amashomero garukugumiza mu kusindika abantu mu buhumuro bakuru b'amashomero bashabwo kwitantara okushomesa abantu mu buhumuro abanyamyugombye ubwegeso mu district ya Kamwenge nibagera ngo abana bine kumuraho kandi ngo barije kujemera ekiragiro bakashomesa abantu mu cyumuro nibija kwatwa kandi bakomwe.
Omukasheshekerizo mu district ya Kamwenge amashomero gacana gahumuza beji kandi barikwenda kushomesa mu cyumuro baraburwa.
Tujye kwa kana kandi twahumurera izuba abazire tubamanyise ngo baniriza mbamba taha abindi bije kubakira kandi atabakire basirikiye transport kandi ngo sofa abana ino bagenda cye bigakiza n'uzubona
barebera abana babahe imirimo aba involve ngo mu mirimo kugira ngo abana bari busy batakaza mu byo kubahuza yahuza no kushobora because abana n'ibyo cyakushobora umbe humuro umwana humura especially nkabishiki ahumuro kibari yahura ngo umwana akakora ki akashirwa.
Abazire bashabwo kuzora misho okurinda abana babaza mu cyumuro
kirizibwe kwejesa ti buri mutwe gwenka kwejesa no muzire na yejesa umwana yaba ari kurabo mu community ariko akura batahi abanyabuzare nakwe no kwega turebeke ngo umwana yaruga mu kurunje ebyo kuguma mu class ukamureka ishomero ukamureka mu cyumuro mwari kwega ebyo bintu na ministry etuhandikire kandi yatumanyisa ngo umuntu wena oregesa mu cyumuro twakukwata umwana shemeje kuba ari n'abazire beye n'abanyabuzare
nshaba bazire nabo bagire okugira kubaburira abana babarindire yoje babateko babagambire ibigambo birungi ebyo kubombeka nigashokombeka future yabo.
Eshaha zabishatu z'ekiro na when you don't use Momo you get insulted by strangers. Save yourself from insults. Use the Momo app or dial *165*3# to pay and enjoy zero charges below 5K. That's the power of Momo.
Bana Uganda mwenna mwebale kusima bachogela Hub Products olw'okufufugaza endwadde z'ensusu zonna tonyiriza bato n'abakulu era basimye empereza yaffe tuleese bipya ku katale.
Leka ekirooto ky'omwana wawe okukola omubyenyonyi kikiirire na Uganda Aviation Academy twamibwe ayata na UCAA.
okombereba nekushiwaho
oyine mbogoka naba mulungi ayibambe nekorera ayimukama wanje okagaruka meshara zanje
program okombereba embogo nicho